Hello everyone, this is M. Shivashankar, lecturer in Computer Science, Government College Autonomous, Anantapuram. Today I am going to present a video lecture on naming conventions in Java. It is helpful for the students who are in UG second year, that is in third semester. Java naming conventions. Naming convention is a rule to follow as you decide what to name your identifiers such as class, package, variable, constant, method, etc. In the second line you can see it is not forced to follow. So it is known as a convention but not a rule. It is a convention. So while designing the Java language and developing the Java language, the designers followed some conventions. So for all the built-in classes, built-in methods, built-in variables, constants, etc., they followed some conventions. So for user-defined variables or constants, it is not mandatory to follow the conventions, but it is better to follow the conventions. All the classes, packages, interfaces, methods and fields of Java programming languages are given according to the Java naming convention. First, let us see the conventions for a class. Always a class begins with an uppercase letter. It should be any noun such as color, button, system, thread. You can see in the red color. So in the color class, C should be capital. In the button class, B should be capital. In the system class, S should be capital. And in thread class, T should be capital. So in the example, you can see public class employee. So always E should begin with, employee class should begin with a capital letter, that is capital E. Even if you write small e, it won't be an error, but always it is better to follow the naming conventions of Java. Next, so here the conclusion is every class should begin with an uppercase letter. Even if there are multiple words in a class name, every word should begin with an uppercase letter. So we should remember it and we should follow this convention. Next, the second one is an interface. An interface again should start with an uppercase letter like classes. So it should be an adjective such as runnable. Runnable is an interface with capital R. It is a built-in one. Remote is an interface with capital R. Action listener. Action listener is containing two words, action and listener. So A and L should be capitals because every word should begin with a capital letter. As in the example you can see interface printable. So there P is capital. So as of now every class and every interface must begin with a capital letter. Next, coming to a method. It should start with a lowercase letter. It should be a verb such as main, print. As you know, every method should end with a parenthesis. So main, M should be small. In the print method, P should be small. In the println method, P should be small. If the name contains multiple words, start it with a lowercase letter followed by an uppercase letter such as action performed. So here action performed is a built-in method which has two words, action and performed. As usual, for action A should be small, for performed P should be capital. Even if there are many words, so every word should begin with an uppercase letter, but initially the method begins with a lowercase letter. So as an example, we can see the class employee. In that class, we had a method called draw, D-R-A-W. In the draw method, D is small. So we can say that every method begins with a lowercase letter. If there are multiple words in a method name, The remaining words should begin with capital letter, but the first word, first letter always should be small letter. This is the convention for a method. Next, coming for naming conventions for a variable. It should start with a lowercase letter, such as ID, name. It should not start with special characters like ampersand, dollar, underscore. If the name contains multiple words, start with a lowercase letter followed by an uppercase letter, such as first name, last name. In the first name, F should be small and N should be capital. In the last name, L should be small and N should be capital. So, as an example, see. In the class employee integer ID, I should be small. So, finally, a variable name starts with a lowercase letter. If there are multiple words in a variable name, so the first word, first letter should be small, and for the remaining words, the first letter should be capital. So, these are the conventions for a variable. Next, the conventions for a package. It should be a lowercase letter such as Java, comma, so lang. So in Java everything is small, in lang everything is small. If the name contains multiple words, it should be separated by dots, such as java.util. Java is the major package, util is the sub package of Java, and java.lang. So Java is the major package and lang is the sub package. Even if there are multiple sub packages, they should be separated by dot symbol. As an example, we can see package com.pack. So everything should be small. If there are sub packages, they should be separated with dot operator. So in the example, you can see package com.pack. Everything is small, and if there are two packages, one is main and one is sub package, so they should be separated with dot operator. Next, the conventions for a constant. Always in Java, constant should be capital letters. So the designers followed this convention. Every letter should be capital, such as red, red. So everything is capital. Yellow, everything is capital. If the name contains multiple words, it should be separated by an underscore, such as max priority. Max priority is a constant which is helpful in thread priorities. In multi-threading concept, it is useful. To give priorities for threads, max priority is useful. So the first word is max and the second word is priority. So it contains two words. They should be separated by underscore. But all the letters should be capital letters only. So for constant, blindly we have to follow this convention. So all the letters should be capital. If there are many number of words, they should be separated with underscore. It may contain digits but not as the first letter. According to the rules of identifiers, nobody should write digit as the first letter. So for all these names of classes, variables, constants or whatever it may be, they should not begin with any digit. In the example, you can see class employee. The constant is static final int min age. So min is a word, age is a word. So all are capital letters, but min is a separate word, age is a separate word. They should be separated with an underscore. So min underscore age. So this is the naming convention for a constant. Okay. So these are the naming conventions for classes, interfaces, constants, variables in Java. Thank you.